Federation of Bodybuilding and Physics Sports Pune. This organization is actively associated with promotion and development in the field of bodybuilding for entire Pune district, which includes rural and city area. Our federation's motto is overall development of bodybuilders and fitness industry. We believe health is true wealth, so we spread awareness for the balanced health. We systematically develop the best bodybuilders by guiding, coaching, providing advisory tips, and timely counseling. This helps bodybuilders to build up their presence in the competitions. Also, for the betterment of bodybuilders, we arrange various workout, practicals, posing workshops, competitions, seminars, and exhibitions. That's why we proudly say we have the best bodybuilders with our federation, who have presented district, state, national, and international competitions. We take fitness related courses for the younger generation to know exactly science, how the fitness industry works. We work towards giving sponsorships, jobs, encourage bodybuilders to put up business and prepare them for the further competitions. We also work for the upliftment of these players by promoting them for awards what they deserve. Our federation goal is to bring recognition of Pune district bodybuilding in India as well as at international level. Introduction of founder members. President Mr. Nandu Kadankar. He is the one who leads our federation. He is a professional ex-bodybuilder and also runs his own gym. He is very kind and polite by nature. Mr. Kadankar always thinks how to upgrade our young generation in the field of fitness and bodybuilding. Vice President Mr. Manish Kumar. He is a young and dynamic person. He is a social worker and mainly having an inclination towards the field of fitness and physics. He is always ready to help and solve any kind of problem that arises in the industry. Vice President Mr. Suhas Nangar. He is a down-to-earth person carrying a very great personality. He is a promoter and builder. He always ready to support people who belongs to the field of fitness and bodybuilding. Secretary Mr. Dilip Tamar. He is an experienced and proactive person. He is national judge and also runs his own gym. Because of his experience, the younger generation gets guidance and preparing for competitions. He believes in upgrading knowledge, processes, and implementing the latest technology which will help the fitness and bodybuilding industry. Treasurer Mr. Mayum Meher. He is a very cooperative man with a very good physique. He is a state judge and also runs his own gym. He has vast experience working with bodybuilding organizations. He is also a promoter and builder. He believes in preparing and maintaining very clean records. He is fascinated about the fitness and bodybuilding industry. Joint Secretary Dr. Anil Kambale. He is a very talented person. He is dietitian and also director at Fitness Club. He is a very experienced person in the field of bodybuilding and physics sports. He believes in health is true wealth. Having a good physique, diet is equally important with your routine workout, which is a key to success in the field of bodybuilding. Organizing Secretary Advocate Balakrishna Nidhalkar. He is a young and dynamic entrepreneur. He is running his own fitness academy where he trains, educates, and shows exact science behind the developing physique. He encourages the younger generation to create career in fitness and bodybuilding industry. Executive member Mr. Nachiket Harpade. He has sincere and techno-savvy approach. He is responsible for coordination in most of the work in the federation. He is keen to learn new things and has interest in fitness and bodybuilding industry. Executive member Mr. Satyajit Tatkare. Is a gym owner who is cooperative man with a very good personality. He is well experienced in the fitness industry and also has a good management skill which help us while organizing big events. Executive member Mrs. Neha Dhumal is a woman committee member. She is a judge and has vast experience working with bodybuilding organizations. She is a dietitian and runs his own gym. She believes in teamwork and having a progressive results by giving a diet routine to bodybuilders. Executive member Mrs. Aarti Malwade is a women's committee member. She is a qualified fitness trainer, hard worker, well experienced, and has an interest in the fitness industry.